want to grab the toys. You know, they both grab.
It's a gaggle of babies. Or what's the batch of babies?
A litter.
A litter. Go, Joseph! A pod of babies? Go, Joseph, rocket! A clutch. Oh, look at him, like, bouncing. That is so cute!
Joseph loves his music.
Oh, Noelle! What happened? Cute little dog! Oh, look! Little smile. Hi. Hi, buddy. Naya, what is that? Naya, what is that? Mm-hmm. Hi, you! Hi, you, Noelle!
Sarah, did you realize I was pregnant for an entire month longer than you?
No way, really?
Like longer than a month. A little over a month. We're so happy you're here. Yeah, crazy.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Uh-oh, what happened? What happened?
You got it. He's under control.
Oh, right here. Don't bring it to your mouth. There you go. Good job, Joseph. Way to problem solve, son.